Oh yeah. Want you to dance? Really love you to dance, Dada. Daddy. I really love you to dance, Daddy.
You want me to?
Yes.
That's enough.
Please not push me. I'm close to edge. Don't dance. Work on dance. Don't dance.
Oh, we don't dance.
You're on camera, Abby and Judah. Dance.
Take your hand out of your mouth.
Oh,
Not
Abby.
you.
Okay.
Nice, Abby. Woo! Nice.
You.
Whoa, Judah. Woo!
Master.
Not you. You don't dance.
No, we don't dance.
Not you, Rob.
Abby.
Sorry, I can't help myself.
Oh,
I hear the music.
now you gotta change how you're dancing because it's different music. Back up a little, girl, so I can see you. Back up, back up. There you go.
On the day.
Do you want to take those shoes off, Abby? If you take them off, you might be able to dance better.
Judah dances like a lane.
Well, I just dance with me.
This is my favorite song.
All right, back up a little so I can see you. Yeah, right there. Work it, girls. Judah, what about your booty? Are you gonna shake it? Okay.
Only in my party, but not right here. That's what us dance because we're normal persons. We dance because we're what we lose when we're happy.
Oh, yeah.
I tell ya, if you're dancing.
Whoa!
Abby. Yeah. Judah, go crazy with it.
Let's not go hard dancing.
You're doing great.
Yeah!
Now what?
Not edited, so
So this.
they won't be able to tell.
Just create a dialogue over it.
Okay, yeah, tell us the other day.
The return of the Prince, the boss. This is real hardcore. Kid rockin' Limp Bizkit off. Sip, piss, get chips, wrist.
Whoa! I
Did we cover
high
it?
heels on.
I know I do that. I don't do that.
And everybody wanna know where the kid go, where he dressed at, where he shop at, the dress
Oh.
He's got like the pants way up.
Judah, like, constantly wears high pants. Like she's a 1920s businessman.